And this is a demonstration of the Yale Series C lock. And in order to wind this, one first has to remove this outer bezel that contains the glass. And I've already kind of loosened it a little bit, but once it's locked down and turned, it is not that easy to remove. And of course, one has the problem of having the issue of this being lost, or not so much lost, but dropped or damaged when it's removed for winding. And again, like with the Series B, one just has to turn this entire Lazy Susan apparatus to the left. This one is much easier to do because there are not all the obstructions around this table. And you grasp the knurl here, and once again I have to emphasize that it takes quite a bit of effort to turn it. It's not easy. Now, as with the Series B, there is the issue of overwinding, and because all three of these movements are connected together, if you overwind them, they are all overwound. Whereas with a normal ganged time lock with separate movements, each one is wound individually, so if one is overwound, the other two will still release the safe to go off guard on time. Now, this series here introduced some a feature around that, and located here at the this position here, which is at the 20 position, and at the 6 position hours, 6 hours and 20 hours, if you overwound the lock, you could wind it past either one of these two positions and then insert a pin like so. And that way, if you subtracted the amount of the overwind from this number here or this number here, you then would come out with the correct time that the lock would then go off guard, because this pin would substitute for the pin which is located at the 0 position and would then engage this piece here and allow the lock to be put off guard. And one can see the action of it actually putting it off guard by just moving this table, and you can then see this pin here move to the right, which would then actuate the automatic bolt release on the bolt motor.